Byahe by DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi my love, you are back with me, DJ Lala, 9:21 on the clock, at isi-share ko nga sa inyo yung ikatlo. Yan. This is the third day that I am sharing you the things that I have learned sa 13 years of experience ko sa radio industry. My love, yung pangatlo ay may two kind of wrong way to do. Yan. Kasi yung pangatlo ay enjoy the journey eh. At may dalawang tao doon na mali yung ginagawa. Yung unang tao doon, my love, ay yung taong masyadong seryoso. Huwag ka masyadong seryoso, my love. Sa journey mong to, isipin mo na lang, you'll spend most of your life doing whatever it is that you have to do sa career mo in order to reach your dreams. And you are stuck with it. Unless pinanganakan talagang ang dami mong pera, pinanganak ka na iyo yung kumpanya, you really have to tirelessly work day and night in order to get where you want to go. O diba? In order to get there, in order to be there sa kung saan mo gusto makarating. So might as well enjoy yourself while doing it. O diba? Might as well maging masaya ka na habang ginagawa mo pa siya. Kaya nga 'di ba maraming nagsasabi kapag nanghihingi ka ng advice about your career, nanghihingi ka ng advice about your work, ang laging linyada ng mga tao ay kung hindi ka na masaya diyan, if it's no longer making you happy, if it's no longer making you feel like you are fulfilling something, na-enjoy mo siya, kahit papaano you are looking forward into doing it every day, then let go mo na. Yun yung lagi nilang linyada kapag tinatanong mo kung ano yung magandang advice when it comes to your career. Kasi yun my love eh. It can make your work feel lighter. It can make your, sabihin na natin, everyday grind feel a bit bearable or more bearable kapag na-enjoy mo siya. Kapag hindi ka kasi masaya kung nasan ka, my love, it feels like every single day you are gonna drag yourself to work. Yung feeling na parang ang bigat-bigat ng paa mo, pagkaupo mo, hindi ka pa nagsisimula, pagod ka na. Halos late kang makarating, tas kating-kati kang umuwi. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mong you are no longer enjoying your work, your career. You are not enjoying the environment kung saan ka nag-grind. Kaya nga di ba lagi nila sinasabi, if naghahanap kayo ng lugar na pwede nyo katandaan, doon na kayo sa lugar na hindi ipinaparamdam sa inyo na trabaho siya. Hindi ipinaparamdam sa iyo na everyday work to. Hindi pinaparamdam sa iyo na kailangan mong kumita, kailangan mong kumayod. Kasi if it starts feeling like that, then my love, you have to see other alternatives that can motivate you na tara, grind, tara, trabaho tayo. Kasi it doesn't feel like work anymore. I know na sa araw-araw nating pangangailangan, parang hindi ito yung priority natin, hindi ito yung top of mind na pinag-iisipan natin kasi syempre, practical tayo, ang top of mind natin ay kumita ng pera. Kasi hodang nag-i-enjoy ka o hindi, as long as kumikita ka, G na yan. O diba? Go na natin yan. Pero if this is you looking into your mental health, emotional health, you feel like you want to leave a mark in this world, then go for a career that doesn't make you hate the journey, that makes you want to enjoy the journey. Mahirap yung masyado kang seryoso in life, my love, kasi marami kang mamimiss, marami kang pagsisisihan na sana pala nung mga panahon na andyan ako, in-enjoy ko yung journey, sana pala mas naging masayahin ako, sana pala winelcome ko yung mga makukulit, yung mga makaharot ko mga ka-office mate. They may be loud, they may be different, but they make me feel like I'm not really going to work. Para ako nasa playpen whenever I'm with them, para ako nasa nursery room, tas yung mga kasama ko puro bata. They make a day feel like hours lang of working because bumibilis yung oras dahil nag-i-enjoy kami sa company ng isa't isa. Yung trabaho man ay same routinal, pero the person that you are with, the environment that you guys created makes you feel like This is something I can be in every single day. Now, if it doesn't feel like that, kung nasan ka man ngayon, my love, if there is an option, if there is an alternative, again, my love, keyword, if merong alternative, go to that alternative. Kasi you want to belong sa isang lugar that doesn't make you feel like grinding. Para hindi ka tamarin, para ganahan ka, my love, para ma-enjoy mo yung journey. Now, if wala talaga at mas kailangan mo yan kasi mas nakafocus yung utak mo sa kikitain mo sa pera, then my love, let work be work. Pero once the clock strikes 5, kung ang uwian mo ay 5, kung ang uwian mo ay 7, kung ang uwian mo ay 8, just make sure that you leave the work behind. Make sure na kapag sumampa ka sa labas ng pintuan ng opisina ninyo, ang focus mo na ay no longer sa trabaho mo. Ang focus mo is to go out with your friends, go home and enjoy your time with your family, have a date with your loved one, o kaya naman go home sa company of yourself kasi there's nothing wrong with that. Put on your favorite show, movie, manood ka, mag-take out ka ng pagkaing masarap or magluto ka ng paborito mong pagkain. Make yourself feel relaxed and make yourself feel rewarded for the day. Do not forget na magkaroon ng separation ng work and play. Kasi that's also one way of not being so serious when it comes to work. Another way of enjoying the journey while you are on your way sa gusto mong paroroonan. I know, my love, everything that I just said ay easier said than done. But my love, you just have to exert an effort to make it happen. Kasi ayaw mong mabuhay every single day na kapag tingin mo patalikod dun sa pinanggalingan mo, wala ka man lang mahugot na milestone, na happy memories that you can take with you as you move forward. Na parang paglingon mo sa likuran mo, pag look back mo sa memories mo, all you have with you are memories of you working. Nothing else. No fun, no significant moment na kapag naalala mo mapapangiti ka. That's not a life, my love. Life is supposed to be lived. And going day by day, na para ka lang workhorse, na ang gagawin mo lang ay trabaho, that is not a life. So my love, kung hindi mo man mahanap yung kasiyahan na yan sa trabaho, kasi itong trabaho na to is not something that you want, but something that you need, then find it somewhere else. Tapusin at hiwalayin or ihiwalay ang trabaho sa time to play. Time for yourself, time to relax, time to enjoy. Don't tell me, my love, that you cannot afford that. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon may bayad ang magpahinga. Klaro? Klaro.